What's up guys, it's me, Weird Pikachu 741. I almost forgot my own name. So today we are going to do a reaction of, my reaction of listening to a 3D illusion audio. What is it called again? Holophonic? Holophobic? No, that's not it. All I know is actually it's an illusion. Instead from our eyes, it's actually from okay. It's actually coming from the ears. Yeah, holophonic. Yes, holophonic sound. God. And they say the most effective way to feel like you are actually there is wearing earphones or headphones, which is I am. Look, don't worry, I can still hear even though it's covered by this one. And then you have to close your eyes. So I bring this thing so that I can blindfold myself, which I wanted to make it much more realistic. If I'm not mistaken, this holophonic sound or illusion 3D audio was developed by Hugo Zuccarelli. Developed in the 1980s, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I did research on that. So what if I'm a geek or a nerd? Yeah, whatever. Because this is actually sounded pretty cool. Instead of a typical illusion that we always see with our eyes, this is actually an illusion from our ears. This is actually really cool. So I want to try it out. It was actually pretty trending back then, but at the time I don't know what the heck is holophonic, and I don't want to know because they say it's scary, so I don't want. So yeah, so today I will be trying to listen the holophonic sound, which is in Psychiatric hospital. There's a lot of things in there, like there's a psycho talker phone call, there's integration chamber, which everyone actually make that reaction of because they say it's actually scary and disturbing. So I'm not sure if I want to try that one yet. So y'all can sit back, relax, and laugh at me. Well, yeah. Or you can join me too. Just wear your earphones or headphones, close your eyes, blindfold, no peeking. Because I've tried that before without closing my eyes. It doesn't affect that much, it just felt uneasy, that's all. But I'm just gonna try it now. Yeah? Let's try it. Holophonic sound, Psychiatric hospital. Wait, I can't see. Where's the play button? Okay. Wait, I need some. Okay, good. Is there any sound? Hello? Is it on? Oh no, ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Now close your eyes and enjoy. Got it. How can you say enjoy? God, you're weird. Oh, ma. Okay. Just the door closing. Okay. I'm good. Hello? Hello? I hear you. Ma. Okay. Hi. Get away from my ear. I'm having goosebumps. It's not even started yet. Yeah, I hear you running. Where are you running from? Who are you running from? Excuse me? What's up? Have you breathing, are you? Okay. Okay. Calm down, calm down. Just get away from my ears. Oh, fish. Oh. I am deaf. Okay, don't laugh. Go away. Okay, bye. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Not too close, not too close. Go back, back, back. Hello? Okay. You're freaking me out. You done?
Ven, ven. Oye, oye,
What?
despiértate. Ven.
Oh man, I don't speak Spanish, dude. Come on. Por favor. Oh, yeah.
Loco.
Oh yeah. Not too close to my ears.
¡No vengas! ¡No vengas!
No bueno? Oh. Nobody wants to be my friend? Okay, cool. Wih, jangan dekat sangat. Bodoh. What? Kolo, what the fuck is that?
¡No! ¡Por favor! ¡No!
Hello? Hola, por favor. Amigos, muchachos. I don't speak Spanish. This is gonna be offensive, I'm sorry. What is that sound? Are you playing with your food? Doesn't your parents told you not to play with food? Okay, don't breathe in my ears, please.
Oye, ¿qué te pasa? Despierta. ¿Estás bien? ¿Estás bien?
Estás bien. I've heard that one before, so it's definitely Spanish. I thought it was Russian at first. What? Sorry? Oh no, I thought it's done. I can still hear the clicking sound. Oh ma! What the hell? Is that a lighter? No. Don't you dare, don't you dare. Mommy? Sorry kid, mommy is not here. At least I'm having goosebumps, oh my god. Straight down to my spines. What was that? Easy, let go. Hello? What was that? Wait, apa tu? I know you heard it, son. Oh, ma, jangan gelak kat telinga aku. Is it done? Tell me it's done, please. I don't know if it's done or not. Oh, it's done. That felt real. but it's fun. With this. Moving on. Start. Oh, lady, stop crying. I'm gonna kick you.
Don't you wish you could help her?
No.
Don't you want to comfort her?
No.
Your soul longs to reach out to her. But why? It is because she symbolizes you.
Okay.
All of your pain, your sorrow, depression, and fear. All of your hate, your jealousy,
No.
your longing for
No, I'm not
violence.
jealous.
She is the physical embodiment of your insanity. As a matter of fact, we all are. You cannot run from us. There is no nook, cranny, or hole in the earth in which you can hide from me, from her, or from any of us. We are your inner demons.
Yeah, okay.
And no human can ever escape from the evil that breeds inside of his mind. You are helpless to our power. You can only watch as we eat your sanity away.
See, just please don't. What happened? Hello? Oh, okay, I don't like this. I don't like this. Why? Yeah, it has to be a kid's. Oh, that's not so bad, I think. You done?
I will kill you.
Oh my god, that is actually very scary. Oh my god. Why not watch this? Oh, that kid is so cute in the box. Look at him. Oh, what happened to you? Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Trying to ease my scare. That's all. Oh, look at the chubby face. Whoop, it's gonna fall. Alley-oop, nope. Too fat. Nope. Too fat. I always get that. Cak. Main cacak pula. Dasar gemuk. Lele ekor dia. Lele. Ini. Wait, am I wearing headphones? Oh, no wonder. I'm wearing backwards. Oh, they sound weird. Oh, look at the chubby face. Okay, that's enough. Okay, that's it, I think, guys. So, I hope you're having fun watching me getting spooked by that 3D audio sound. If you're not scared and you really want to try it out, you should, because it's really cool. There's a lot of others, like a barbershop, psycho stalker phone call. I think I already said that before. Psychiatric hospital, integration chamber, but maybe I should try integration chamber. And as always, I will see you soon in the next video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Or not, I'm gonna kill you. And as always, goodbye.